Racing just started coming out like a shot of a gun from the gate. We have Chikatsu running by. Darrell comes My Paho is special. Marcus Wolf comes next, moving up on the outside. That's My Way. Dugus Fright is down on the inside. Muskrat comes next. Princess Jellic, while Shy Guy is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Chikatsu by about 6 lengths. And in second is My Paho is special. Moving up on the outside to take third is Marcus Wolf. Princess Jalik alongside comes That's My Way. Then followed over by Muskrat. Down on the inside comes Dugus Fright. While Shy Guy is still racing and less inside the Tres Octavo. We have Chikatsu by about 6 lengths. And in second is Marcus Wolf. My Paho is special comes next. Princess Jellic. That's My Way. Muskrat, Dugus Fright. While Shy Guy is still racing and less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Chikatsu by about 4 lengths. And in second, Marcus Wolf. My Paho is special is down on the inside. With about 150 meters more to run. We have Chikatsu by about 4 lengths. My Paho is special in second. Moving up Princess Jellic, Marcus Wolf. And finally, it's Chikatsu. Second is Princess Jellic. Then comes Marcus Wolf. My Paho is special. Muskrat.
2, 3, 7, 3, 2, 6, 1, 6.